Say hi.
Good morning.
Happy,
Very long weekend.
Last day.
Jake and John.
Keith last day.
Sorry, wala si Tessa sa frame.
Keith last day.
Oh, there na!
Oy, si Jake.
Last day.
Wait.
That is true. But it changed the game.
What the?
Yo, sure, take a pic.
Why won't it focus?
Kasi wala ko sa focus. Oh! Let's go out.
Okay.
So weird.
You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog! I'm the OG vlog. John is just the vlog.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Bye. Last day of school.
Lahat ng mga pogi. Saan mo?
Senti.
Senti.
Ah! You just not my type.
What do you want, Dad?
Say hi to the vlog. Last day. Yes. Oh shit, last day.
Last day.
Yeah.
Is this recording? It is?
It is? It is.
Shit, it is. Ang pangit. Ito lumapit. Ano tol? Say hi, last day of school.
Hi vlog, last day of school. Tara na, uy. Ito yung teacher.
Sir, last day of school. Guys, last day, sugal pa rin kayo ng sugal?
You're running your help!
Hey, Riz.
Go. Wait, I wanna film. Hey, Anyala,
Okay.
last day of school.
Okay. She made our PT.
What do you say?
Thank you. The best.
Thank you, Anyala.
Can you picture me and Asiana?
Last day of school.
Wait, is it a vlog? Or
Yeah, it's a vlog.
Take a pic.
It's a vlog.
Last day lang, kain pa rin ng kain, oh. Last day na last day.
Need money. Pinage ako ng 11 man.
Roba, boba!
Say hi. Why isn't it focusing?
Is it a vlog?
Yes. Wait, it's not.
Last day of school vlog. It's my least favorite.
Okay, pose for the thumbnail. Okay, that's enough. Enough screen time for you guys. Ay, sorry. Okay. What the Hey, no bad words in my vlog.
What did you say? No
My mom got mad.
What's up with your no bad words?
Okay.
Hi, Tita. I'm John's most favorite friend.
Classmate.
Friend.
So you're not my classmate?
Teammate.
Whatever.
Classmate also.
Please.
Let's dance, guys.
My mommy got mad.
Please, masters.
Hey. Stop.
You know who has a master problem?
Me?
Kiefer. He has a master problem. He'll say,
Who?
Kiefer, he has a master problem. Put that in the vlog.
What?
Master,
Vlog takeover. What?
master problem. Guys, welcome to my vlog takeover. Yana, John.
Why is it so dirty?
Can you do that?
May. Ooh, okay. Ooh.
Oy, hi vlog. Last day of school. Oy, pictures of vlog.
Tapos na, kanina pa yan.
Fellas, in our vlog.
Kanina pa yan.
Sorry guys, just arrived in school. I had to eat some breakfast.
Ha? Bawal yan. Bawal yan. Bawal yan. Bawal yan.
Follow, wait.
Okay, I'm blur this out.
Last day.
Not just that, you mean right? Not even here.
Just wait for my vlog.
You're gonna like edit so after the roll, like you're gonna
Bawal. Measles. Hey, yeah.
be a vlogger, you have to vlogger energy. Yeah.
Okay, show us how. Fine.
Okay, ready? Okay, vlog. 3, 2, 1. Hey, vlog! I'm Ariane. I'm Tessa. I'm Bella. We're burrito. Okay, so this is our vlog now because we're
We
better
took
than
over
John.
John's vlog.
Okay, 2 minutes of fame is done.
We didn't even need 2 minutes. Yeah, we're already better. We're already famous.
Whatever.
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 Please like and subscribe.
No.
Bawal mga volleyball girls dito.
Mga basketball, John.
Di bagay ka. Where's Kimi?
I don't know, he's like with everyone. Censored. Censored. Bad content.
Censored. Okay, okay. I'm posting this. I'm posting this.
Fine. No! John, you're gonna get famous. Just say.
Say hi to the vlog.
Chinos.
Yo, send this, bro.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Last day of school?
Last day of school.
Okay, okay, okay. Hold this for me. Hold this for me. Where's this?
John vlogs. Give him a hug, bro.
I need your hug. I'ma miss you, eyes.
John, look what
Last
I wrote
day?
in Fia's.
Where?
Fia.
Say hi to the vlog.
Show him what I put. Show him what I put.
Say hi to the vlog. What? What does it say? Q will be mine next year. Okay. Hala! Can you...
Duro, na ilamis oh. Jacob, say hi. Hi. Jabalos. Guess four. Love you. Okay. No. Pinsan ni camera.
It's mine. It's still rolling. Can I put it in the vlog? Okay.
Happy na siya, happy na. Okay.
Hi Kimi! Hi Kimi! Bye Kimi!
Bye. Hey guys, we're on our last day of class.
You're pissing me off now.
I'm gonna introduce you guys to my class kada. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Ali, say hi to the vlog.
Make it the yellow.
Vlog.
Make it the yellow. Boo!
God, he's gonna blackmail me. John Apapaya, I swear. You see this?
Oh look, they're playing cards, guys.
No. From us.
Wait, miss, is it like break na? Oh, for real? Jody, that's so close.
Hi. There.
So hi guys, last day.
Okay, bye. Hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Ow!
What? I'm done na. Throw it.
This is measles Miso's patient zero. Miso's patient zero.
Guys, I don't know if I'm supposed to bring this in break. There, say bye to the vlog.
Hi vlog. Paalam. Ingat kayo pala.
Nice, that was so aura, sir.
Klase, kain na kayo.
The city is pretty when it's dead. It's like a
Okay,
flower.
wait. Let's go to Jake's classroom. Come on. Excuse me. Okay, let's go. Jody!
The city is pretty when it's dead. It's like a flower.
Where are we going? Oh, last day.
Oh, last day.
Thank God, no more Jody.
Okay. Thank God John and Jake are going back to Davao, bro.
Okay, you're not part of this vlog anymore. I'm gonna kick you off the group. Okay. Recess time. Teacher na sa Boys playing cards. Hey.
1 year ago.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog, it's the last day of school vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Ooh, are you stealing Ron's girl? Are you stealing Ron's?
Last day of school, guys.
Say, hi mo sila. Hi mo sila lahat.
What's your name?
I'm Marlon.
Marlon. Okay. What's your name? Okay. Are you single?
No.
Are you single?
Yes.
What's your type? Chinita, Morena, Mestiza?
Chinita Mestiza.
Chinita Morena.
Si Emilia pala type mo?
I'll look for someone of your types.
You know.
Ron.
Can you stop? I'm gonna get copyright.
Who else is your type? I know you have a lot.
I'm loyal to my girl.
Just a girl. Stop.
Sorry. He is loyal. Oh, Jake, can I interview you? What's your name?
My name is Jake.
Are you single?
Huh?
Are you single?
I don't know.
Prisha, is he single?
No.
Is he single?
No.
Yes.
Answer the question.
Shit, yes, no.
Yes.
What's your type? Chinita, Morena, Mestiza.
Short.
Wait. Jake, she has a question. What's your question?
What's this?
Say it.
No, it's
Why?
bad.
It's not. Okay, what's lamig kayo daw? What's lamig kayo? What's
He just lost 100. I'm up 150. Up 150.
Oh, that's why you're bad mood pala.
Sinanglanan natin. ID, license.
Pati license.
Nauna pa yung license.
That's what you bet?
Yeah, his license.
Last day with my group mates.
Thank God, man. Can I just show the camera?
What?
Hi, camera. I just wanted to show you guys my least favorite research group mate.
Our task is I'm going to return your test paper in SA.
Okay, guys, they're playing again.
Lalo ko ba? Yo, stop helping!
Stop shouting. Okay, we got lychee Yakult. It's actually really good, guys. What did you get?
The one yesterday was asked.
I'm not in the mood. Wait, where's Yana? Wait, tomorrow
We got strawberry Yakult yesterday, and it was too sweet, guys.
Okay, go there.
John, which one's better?
Can I try?
This or that? This is actually good.
This is the same shit.
No, you
Can
can
I
taste
try?
it. I'm messy. Get the straw.
Just open it.
Oh, I'm gonna get all ice.
I'll drink from here now.
Okay.
I suck. I got the green apple one from Nina.
Which was better?
Lychee's better.
Not in the mood.
What's that?
Are you playing or run?
Go! Nico!
Celebrated too early, bro.
I'm so stupid, gago. Fuck, I forgot.
Flush.
Putang ina yan, keep.
Fuck you guys!
Somebody, bro, I would have won that shit.
One more for the vlog. One more for the vlog.
Where do you want from?
Harvey, ikaw naman.
Eh, ikaw naman. Beach body. Beach body or dad bar? Eh. Oh.
No, I was real to you. You can't see me.
Where do you want from me?
This happy.
Diba?
I told Frisha, I've never seen Jake this happy. You're so kidding.
Say hi to my vlog. You know we're so kawawa.
Bakit?
We don't have food.
Ba't wala kayong food? Eh, di ba ang usapan may food dapat? And so, nandito ka. Huh? Oh my God!
Raid. Classroom raid. Classroom raid.
Oh!
Last day.
I do something properly, nigga. I have it.
Hey. Shut up. Oh, isa pa. Oh, never mind. I'm not saying there.
Why?
Wala ko na-realize na si pa jud ko atras kay si kag ano ako kay bangga na ko. Hawa ko doy may gago.
Diba you start with the winner?
Wait, you?
Okay, oh my god, my hair. My hair is so... Okay guys, so we're in ADC now. I'm with...
Yana Garcia, best research leader.
And Kian. Camera died. Camera died again.
The most nonchalant in the batch.
So what are we doing here?
We're gonna get Jamba, even though John doesn't like Jamba. Convert.
Muslim to Catholic? Uh-oh. Okay. We're waiting for sila Javi na lang right now.
Javi's not gonna be.
They will.
He's with his class kada.
Oh. Okay.
So Jamba.
We're in Jamba right now. We're going to...
Starbucks.
Kian's over there. Ordering.
Plans, guys.
Okay.
Plus 2cc John.
No? I don't know what to order So, there's no Jamba kasi in Davao.
Really? No, I thought you meant Starbucks, bro. I was gonna be like,
Nigga.
no Jamba, no Starbucks in Davao. That's so sad.
Grabe.
Can
so mean.
Can you teach me basic? Okay. I
Bisaya?
cannot speak your name, Boris. Boris said, yes, that's Yana and my players.
Gago.
My players.
No bad words.
Players ba?
Okay, we're in Starbucks now. They're here. Say hi to the vlog. Huwag na yan. Sige, huwag kayo mag-hi. Sige. Sorry. Girl, you got my heartbeat running away. Where are we going? Let's go now. Let's go now. What are we gonna do?
Are you guys gonna break
Break
out
out.
Right now, break out, right?
Yes.
Where you guys are not allowed.
Girl, you got my heartbeat running away. Breakout rooms puno.
Shut the fuck up.
So guys, breakout room is puno. Hi vlog. Take over. So the breakout room is puno.
It's like that.
Oh shit. So the breakout room is puno. Now we're finding a place to eat na lang. Yo! G Cilantro!
We're gonna eat na lang.
Eat lang. John scammed us.
What?
The keeper got disappointed.
It's Kiefer's fault.
Who's shit?
Whose fault?
40-foot thing into the swimming pool.
It's not 40. Where are we gonna eat, guys?
I jumped into a swimming pool from 40 feet.
Guys, we're in Chili's now. Say it to my vlog. Okay, Jesus.
Are you eating in Chili's?
No.
Maybe octopus.
So guys, we're gonna hatid Ian and Vilsa and Diana in Ayala. Yeah, I will nga. I'm gonna post it in YouTube. It's low bat. No, I'm not. No. She has to jump.
Guys, I have a joke.
What's
Guys,
it
you
do?
have to listen. Wait, Trisha, don't listen. You know this na. What? Guys, how do
Come here, wait. Win action.
how do you make an octopus laugh?
How? How?
Tentacles.
Pasa ka. Bye guys, we're going home. Thanks for watching the vlog. Bye.